Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about further ideas for guided visualizations. The following ideas can be expanded upon, altered or used to inspire your own creativity. Imagine you are drifting in infinite space among the planets and stars. Visit and explore some other planets before you return to Earth. Imagine you're a bird, a fluffy white cloud, a plane, a kite, a submarine, etc. Imagine you're a shoe and retrace each step you've taken in a day. Pay a visit to a circus or festival. Read a fantasy story from the Puranas, the Arabian Nights, Hans Christian Andersen, or some other such book. Do not introduce the visualization sequence until full body and breath relaxation has been achieved. The visualization sequence should not continue for much more than 5 minutes, otherwise loss of concentration could occur.